In this video, we'll be showing you how we charge our Samsung TV's solar remote. Now there's two ways that this remote can be charged. The first, and one of the easiest, is by using the solar panel. So on the back of the remote there is this small little panel that will allow the remote to be charged from any source of light, whether it be sunlight or indoor lighting. Now in order to get the best results from solar charging, whenever we set the remote down, we're going to need to make sure we do it upside down so that solar panel has the most direct contact with light as possible. Now, the other way to charge this remote, and this is especially effective if it is completely dead, is to use a USB-C cord. As you see on the very bottom of the remote, it does have a USB-C port, which we can just take a USB-C cord and plug it into the bottom. So we have our cord here, we will pop it into that port, and then upon doing so we see there is a little red light telling us that it is now charging. Also, the TV will notify us, letting us know that the remote is being charged by a cable. Okay, now how do we check the battery on this remote? Well, we're going to have to go to our TV and then down to settings. Within the settings option, we want to select all settings and then scroll down to general and privacy. Within the general and privacy tab, we're then going to want to navigate down to the power and energy savings option. Then we can just scroll down on this menu until we see available remote battery, and ours here is at 90%. And there you have it. That is how you charge your remote. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.